Yeah, I'm Dr. Sharath Reddy, interventional cardiologist and director of medical hospitals. So this conference, Imaging and Physiology Council of India, mainly focuses on imaging tools in fine-tuning angioplasty as well as physiological assessment of vessels to fine-tune decision making in angioplasty. So this is a wonderful conference, especially for all the cardiologists as well as fellows in cardiology to learn from basics to advances. And this really fine tunes, decision making in patients. More importantly, where not to do procedures on patient and where to do and which really helps patients. Uh, and also, imaging is one very very important tool which is increasingly used in developed countries, and in fact the role of imaging also increased in our country as such in optimizing our procedures in India. So knowing A to Z about imaging is very important in a contemporary scenario to fine tune angioplasty techniques so that we can fine tune outcomes of our patients. So all in all, this is a great conference for all the cardiologists to advance in their learning. Thank you.
సార్ ప్యానల్ డిస్కషన్ చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు సో దాన్ని మీరు ఎలా తీసుకొని చెప్తున్నారు ప్యానల్ డిస్కషన్ చాలా మంది డాక్టర్స్ ఉన్నారు సో వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ షేర్ చేసుకున్నారు కదా సో దాంట్లో బెస్ట్ అనిపిస్తుంది
I think all the panelists who has come from all over the globe here are quite good operators. So and their experiences are going to be very very useful for fellows in cardiology in India. Okay. Right.